Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you are managing data, organizing projects, or even just looking for a better way to track your to-do list, you have probably heard of both these platforms. In today's video, we are diving into the world of data management with a showdown between Airtable versus Microsoft Excel. These two tools may look similar at first glance, but they offer different experiences. From ease of use to collaboration features and automations, we are going to break down where each platform shines. So if you're wondering whether to stick with Microsoft Excel or to try out Airtable, you are in the right place. So let's begin. Okay, so let's start with Airtable. If you are a big fan of our Deep Labs channel, you know that we have covered Airtable here with so many topics. You might want to check each and every one of them because we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. So I'm not gonna dive deep into Airtable, but instead I'm going to give you a simple overview of what the platform is all about. All right, so like I said multiple times, it is a cloud-based collaboration platform that combines the features of a database with the simplicity of a spreadsheet. Now, it allows users to create and manage custom databases, which can be used for a wide range of applications, from project management to content planning. Now, all you have to do is just go to the official website of Airtable. That's going to be www.airtable.com. We might want to click on the sign up for free option, and signing here is a breeze. All you have to do is just follow the instructions, and then you are going to see the intuitive interface of Airtable. Now, here on the bottom right corner, you can see the different views wherein you can simply create your first database. You can simply customize the way you wanted it to feel. All right, so you can be creative. Now, users can create tables with different field types. If you click this plus button, you have an access to numbers, attachments, checkboxes, and more. All right, in terms of the view, data can be viewed in various formats such as grid, calendar, gallery, Kanban, timeline, list, and Gantt. All right. In terms of collaboration, teams can work together in a real-time environment, adding comments, assigning tasks, and sharing updates. In terms of the integration, Airtable connects with many other services like Dropbox, GitHub, Zapier, Google Drive, Google Workspace, enabling automation and streamlining of workflows, making your work and processes easier. You have the access for the templates. It offers a variety of templates for specific use cases, such as project tracking, event planning, and content production. Airtable is used mostly by individuals, teams, and companies to organize data in a flexible and user-friendly way. Now, Microsoft Excel is one of the best and widely used spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft, which I believe you already know what it is. It is a powerful tool for data organization, analysis, and visualization, commonly used for tasks as financial calculations, data tracking, and reporting. All right, so you can basically create a new document here wherein Excel organizes data into rows and columns, allowing for easy manipulation and data analysis. Now, it supports a wide range of mathematical formulas here and logical function that allows user to perform complex calculations automatically. This includes basic arithmetic operations, statistical analysis, and more advanced functions like VLOOKUP and pivot tables. Now, you see, you have the access for the chart. See that? Users can create various type of charts and graphs to visualize data, including bar charts right here. All right, so you have access to that. Pie charts and scatter plots. So there's a lot that you can work with. And of course, Microsoft is used in a wide range of industries for tasks like budgeting, forecasting, and project management. and it is available on both Windows and Mac platforms, and it can be accessed via the web through Office 365. And now the question is, which is the best for you? Now, if you wanted to have a detailed data analysis, financial calculations, and of course complex models, an individual or small team that requires deep customization, I believe that Microsoft is the right application for you. It's tested so many times, all right? It has been there for so long. And of course, it comes with a Microsoft 365 subscription, which includes other Microsoft apps. If you have like a certain liking or comfortability with the Microsoft ecosystem, because Microsoft Excel is also available as a standalone purchase. All right. Now, Airtable is really best for managing projects, team collaboration, simple databases, and tasks that need structured data with connections across multiple tables. We has basically you can sync multiple tables here in records, which is one of the best features that Airtable have compared to others. Now, if you need an easy-to-use cloud-based tool for managing and organizing relational data with a team collaboration, I highly suggest you go to Airtable. All right, but again, your choice largely depends on whether you need a powerful spreadsheet or tool, which is going to be Microsoft Excel, or a user-friendly collaborative database, which is Airtable. And as you can see, Airtable has a basic charting and options, but it does not match Microsoft Excel's robust for deep analysis. You can use apps, of course, within Airtable for more advanced visualization because, as you can see, when you go to the add or import, Airtable integrates very well with Microsoft Excel. So basically, you can leverage both platforms to have all their perks and advantages on your team or businesses, all right? Now, it wouldn't hurt if you check both of their pricings in their official website. From Microsoft Excel, might want to click on the plans and pricing for home. So you can compare depending on your team, goal, and budget, all right? If you hover down to the Airtable and go to their pricing section, you see you have a free account, which is really good for individuals or very small teams just getting started with Airtable. And you have all these perks and benefits. But if you wanted to scale up, you might want to go to the team plan, which is really good for building apps to collaborate on shared workflows. That's going to be like $20 per seat per month and billed annually. Of course, if you wanted to go to the business and enterprise scale, I highly suggest you test the waters on their free plan. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.